Hi, I'm Jamie Mock, your host for What's New Atlanta, where we bring you new construction news nobody else knows about. Today on What's New Atlanta, we're here with
Diana Shire, Community Sales Manager with Adams Homes at the Fields of Walnut Creek.
Can you show me around?
Absolutely, Jamie, let's go. Welcome to the Fields of Walnut Creek, a new construction community located in the beautiful foothills of the Northeast Georgia Mountains in Jackson County. This community is part of the top 100 housing markets in the nation, featuring quality builders, award-winning schools, colleges, balanced with economic development and employment opportunities. This community features 36 home sites in Phase 1, with floor plans ranging from ranches, 2 stories, and finished basement plans, ranging from 2,000 square feet to 3,900. Price ranges for this community start in the low 400s. This community is close to the city if you'd like to venture in downtown or just minutes from the mountains. This community is convenient to Georgia 9 I-85 and offers a wide variety of recreational facilities, parks, outlet and boutique shopping, wineries, greenways, farm-to-table dining, seasonal festivals, and a heritage geo-trail. Adams Homes has specialized in new home construction since 1991, and our on-site sales agents are ready to assist you in building your dream home. Call today and schedule an appointment to visit this beautiful community.
Thank you so much for having us here at the Fields at Walnut Creek. This is a great community. If somebody wants more information, how do they get that?
Yes, you can locate us on the web at adamshomes.com, or you can call us at 770-361-9971. Thank you for coming out.
Thank you for having us. This really is a great community. I love how secluded it is, yet it's still close to everything you need. I'm Jamie Mock, your host for What's New Atlanta. Tune in again next time.